So I invite you to find a comfortable seat, elongate your spine nice and tall. We'll do a little practice just for a few minutes. Closing down the eyes if you feel that it's safe to do so, making sure that your environment is safe for you to practice in. And relaxing the hands down onto the thighs, or you might like to interlace the fingers just gently in front of the lap. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, just to settle in. 2 more breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And keeping your eyes closed and the body relatively steady. Again, check in with your posture. Elongate a little taller. And then be still, just for a few breaths. Now I invite you to use your imagination and imagine a safe place to practice in. It can be inside or outside. Wherever this safe space is for you. There's no danger. It's simply pure and safe, like your happy place. You don't need to be with anyone, you're just simply content, sitting in this place on your own. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the breath as you inhale and exhale naturally. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. If you find that it's really difficult or challenging to focus on the breath, you can breathe a little deeper so that you can feel your breath as it comes in and as it goes out. And from this place, I now invite you to repeat the mantra, "May I be peaceful." And just repeat it mentally. May I be peaceful. May I be peaceful. Every time you inhale, you can repeat, "May I be peaceful." And every time you exhale, you can repeat, "May I be peaceful." Feel this mantra vibrating in the cells throughout your whole body. feeling peace washing over you. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Now bring it back to the mantra. May I be peaceful. Sit a little taller, we'll be here for a few more moments. Focus the mind on the mantra, may I be peaceful. Now let go of the mantra and simply just be still for a few breaths. Observe the practice. Just be here and now, in this moment. Inhale, exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, exhale. Starting to move the fingers and the toes. Lengthen the spine, nice and tall. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. May I be peaceful, may you be peaceful, may we all be peaceful. Namaste.